Every time you look down at your phone, your neck experiences the pressure of up to 60 pounds. And if you're waking up with neck stiffness in the morning, headaches, or shoulder tightness, it's not aging. It's your phone silently damaging your spine. What actually causes the pain? Your head is designed to stay upright, but when you bend forward, your neck muscles stretch beyond their limit, your spine loses alignment, and your nerves get compressed. This condition is known as tech neck or forward head posture. 5 hidden warning signs. 1. Morning neck stiffness. 2. Pain turning your head. 3. Tight shoulders, especially the upper traps. 4. Tingling in arms or fingers. 5. Headaches behind the eyes. When these show up, your cervical spine is telling you it needs help. What happens inside your body? The more you look down, the more your neck curve flattens, disc pressure increases, blood flow decreases, nerves get irritated, muscles stay in tension mode. This creates chronic neck pain. 3-minute fix routine. Now let's fix your neck. These 3 moves will reduce pain within days if you do them daily. 1. Chin tucks, 10 reps. Realign cervical spine. 2. Upper trap stretch, 20 seconds each side. Relieves nerve compression. 3. Phone posture, reset, 10 reps. Eliminates forward head posture. Stop doing these things. 1. Scrolling with head down. 2. Phone on lap. 3. Using phone in bed. 4. Gaming while slouching. 5. Long texting sessions. These habits damage your neck faster than you think. The 20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, lift your phone to eye level for 20 seconds. This single habit reduces neck pain by nearly 50%. Your phone isn't the problem, your posture is. Fix it today and your neck will thank you for the next 20 years. Like and subscribe for health, plus fitness animation tips.